In this evening's edition of the Business Review, we focus on a shopping mall in Westmoreland.
From this to this. This is the Boardwalk shopping mall in Negril, the largest of its kind in that part of the country. Once an abandoned building which was formerly home to duty-free shops. It closed not long after it opened in 2009.
My wife and I, we saw the opportunity, we saw the potential, and so we went after it because, we saw the potential of what this could be. And also, we wanted to play a role in the upgrading of Negril.
The property was purchased in 2018.
Between the purchase, the financing costs, the renovations, we're looking at nearly $500 million, Jamaican dollars. And I know that some of our tenants also invested heavily. I know Hilo announced that they invested around $400 million in their store, which is huge. And I know other tenants, NCB, invested heavily in their space as well.
Then came the COVID pandemic.
After we made all this investment, just at the time when we expected to start recouping it, the whole industry shut down. But we had two strong anchor tenants that kept the place, going, and that's what helped us through COVID.
Fast forward to the present, and the mall is now fully tenanted with more than 30 shops.
We have a waiting list for space. There is a demand for ground floor space in Negril, and in a well-appointed area, in a well-appointed space, there's potential. And so, we're looking to see how we can, fulfill that potential in other ways.
And its success is not by chance.
Most important thing about investment is that you have to have a good product. When you have a good product, it will sell itself. And that's key. Whatever you're doing, do it well, do it properly, and then you have to have the customer service to back it up. And when you do that, that's when you get the rewards.
With the Business Review, I'm Kerry Simpson.